Hello, and welcome to our Math 081 course for Fall 2022. I am Professor Caldwell, and I'm looking forward to being your instructor for the next 14 weeks. After you read this introductory email, you are ready to navigate our course in Canvas. The course is available to you now. I know the first day of class isn't until Tuesday, the 6th, but I wanted to give you guys the opportunity to get in early, make sure you have all your required materials, and you can even get started on some of the introductory assignments, such as the student introduction board and the welcome quiz. So once you log into Canvas and you click on the tile for our Math 081 course, you will be brought to our homepage. So when you're at the homepage, you will see my welcome message. So please take a moment and read through the welcome message on the homepage. And then the first thing I want you to do is read about our weekly routine for Math 081. So I give you a brief summary of the weekly routine that you should follow so you can be successful every week in our course. And you'll follow the same routine week after week after week, so you know exactly how to plan your time every week until the end of the semester to keep track of everything that is involved with our class. So there's also a video to watch that walks you through the weekly routine, and hopefully that will help you set up your own personal calendar and implement some time management strategies. Then, after you've watched the weekly routine video and you have a better idea for how the course is organized, you're ready to get started. So the first thing that I want you to do is read through the material at these first 4 modules. So you can click on the modules link here, or you can click on the modules tab on the left. And then after you read through the information in those 4 modules, you're ready to take the welcome quiz. So the welcome quiz is just a quick way, it's 15 quick questions to see if you are familiar with all the basic information of the course. And then that way you should have some of your general questions answered about how the course is set up, what kind of assignments there are, and other things to expect. You will need a photo ID for that welcome quiz, so make sure you have something ready as you take that quiz. It could be your driver's license, student ID card, identification card, anything with your name and your face on it. Okay, after you take the welcome quiz, you're ready to dive into the course. So you can start by going to week 1 and seeing what is going to be available to you for week 1. Just so you know, every module is published as like 1 week at a time. Right now, the modules for weeks 1 and 2 are available, and then after that, I will publish each module on a weekly basis. So I hope you're as excited as I am to get started. I'm really looking forward to spending the next 14 weeks with you, and I can't wait to see what we share in the student introductions board, and we will probably already start to find that we have some things in common and start making some connections. So have a wonderful day. Please let me know if you have any questions. Remember, you can always use the inbox over here on the left in Canvas to send me a message, and I'm looking forward to getting to know you more over the next 14 weeks.